everybody. Welcome into Farm Cooking with Nan. I've got on my Fall for Jesus apron today. You know, fall is here now, so it's time to dig those aprons out and use them. Put out our fall decorations and stuff. I have some stuff back here in the window, pumpkins and a flower arrangement that Miss Gail made for me. Okay, I have 3 chicken breasts. I have rinsed them because they had a bunch of watery fluid around them. So I didn't know what was in that fluid or whatever, but I washed these. These are 3 big chicken breasts. So after this is over, I'm going to use this chicken for something else. First of all, I'm going to take the chicken breasts and I'm going to lay them in my crock pot, okay? Now, we'll scoot them to where I get them all in there. Y'all can see that. There's a little piece of hanging on there. I'll toss that in there. Okay, I'll just set this over here. Now, this is what I have. I'm gonna read it off to you, okay? I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 heaping tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and I've got a half a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm going to say it again. Half a teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now, that's my seasonings here. I'm going to put them all into this just a little dish. Stir them up a little bit, and I'm telling you, I'm going to, it's all mixed up real good. I'm going to put this over the 3 chicken breasts. All over the top. You want to make sure the top of these are well coated. Well coated. Now look at that. I will show you. Well, let me make sure. There's just a little bit left in there, and I want to get that's flavor right there. Look at there. Coated real good. Then I'm going to take about a half a cup of Parmesan, grated Parmesan. It's about a half, maybe a generous half. You know what I'm saying? You could count that. No, I don't think, when I'm looking down there, probably not more than a half. And then I'm going to take, I've got 40 ounces in this Rayo homemade marinara. You can use spaghetti sauce. You can use whatever you want to. But I'm going to use about half this jar. You want that all over. Cover all your chicken. Let's see. That's about a half right there. I can always use, I will get that up in a minute. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put some, wait just a second. Now, one of these is going to be for me. The other 2 are going to be for Papa. So I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of, this is just panko breadcrumbs. If you've got the Italian ones, that's really good. But I'm going to put that on Papa's. You can see plain, I'm leaving one here without it. If it gets over on mine, I can always take care of it, you know. Take it off a little bit or whatever. And we've got one more thing whenever we're getting ready to finish up that we got to put on there. So this is a Crockpot chicken Parmesan type thing, except I wanted to throw in some of the breadcrumbs for Pop. So let's get this covered. I'm going to probably cook it on high for about 1.5 hours. Check it, you know, and check it from there. But if you want to put it on low, cook it for about 3.5 hours. Check your chicken, make sure it's done. Okay, can you beat that? I just cooked Pop enough noodles because I can't eat the noodles, the spaghetti noodles. Just cooked enough, put a little nest in there. And one thing I want to tell y'all we're trying to work hard today, so I didn't show you in the video, was as soon as my Parmesan chicken had cooked in my crock pot, about 3 hours is what I put it on. And it was totally done. Then I removed the lid and I sprinkled mozzarella cheese, mozzarella and provolone mixture, shredded cheese all over it, put the lid back on, left it for about 5 minutes. And then I scooped it out onto my cheese dripping over the side. Youngins, this is going to be delicious. I'm not going to eat the noodles, but I know it's good. So I just want to tell y'all that I love y'all. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you sharing my videos and telling others about me. I really do. I appreciate you liking and following me. And I just did a little broccoli in the microwave and pop a little microwave some on there. My piece will not have any of the breaded crumbs on there. So that's done. It's not loaded with some carbs, but Pop's is going to be delicious. So I hope y'all get a chance to make this. It's pretty simple. Throw it in your crock pot, cook you some noodles, and you're ready to go. So I just want to tell you how much I love you and how much the good Lord loves you. Don't forget that today. No matter what's going on in your life, put your trust in the Lord. He'll never leave you and he'll never forsake you. He's always there with us. And I will see you next time for the next visit, the next cooking video or out on the farm. If it's the Lord's will that we do it again, okay? We'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.